going to Jamaica pretty much. My aunt just dropped me off. I did not miss my flight this time. That's why she was in charge, because I keep missing my flights. But yeah, so pretty much we're gonna go to Jamaica, and I'm at the airport right now. We're gonna board soon, which I'm excited because I hate like waiting at the airport. But yeah, I'm just gonna have some tea, and then I'll see you guys when we land.
Jamaica, country of the great men, the brave, strong woman then. And always remember, we hear them, we fight for make we better. Yeah, you're good too. Alright.
Let's get everything so we go for way over. No.
Guys, we are in Jamaica. Hi, Grandma. Grandma knows I'm here? Grandma, you know I'm here?
You know, son, let me come up the door.
Huh? Yes, I just landed.
Boy, they walk around with the bike, man.
Hello, myself. I'll see you soon, Grandma. Bye. Love you too.
I grew up in a place called some city, Spanish town groovy. When we play a murderation, man. Hey, well, me say, oh, them a go on like say they no rate the king. What them a do? Me say, oh, them a go on like say they no rate the king. What me go do? Rise the ark of the covenant with the cherubim. What me go do? Tell some artists watch the songs where them a sing. What them go do? Grab the mic and announce this song kissing. What me go do? Sing some songs of praises and thanksgiving in at the tabernacle where they bingy man building. Side Selassie on the throne and Vatican try kill him again. Just like in the beginning. Yes, there ain't no giving in and there ain't no winning in the Armageddon for Babylon. This time we're killing them, we're drumming and the singing in the tabernacle, filling up the earth with positive vibes. I Selassie is my counsel and my backative. The love and all the praises are to him, then not to give him teach. I overshoot.
Your money. Your money. Who?
Leave me alone before me burn up your butt. That's why me keep on my tongue.
You can't talk to your mother. You have to talk to her.
I'm her daughter, she's the mother.
No, you have to talk to her. Tell her if you have respect for your friend.
Look, there's another lady in blonde. Oh my gosh. Madge!
Mad!
That's not the video me.
Guys, I'm here with mommy. Howdy, mommy. Look at her hair. Where are you? She cut it all off and dyed it blonde. Hot girl. I can't keep up with her. I just came from the airport and we were at the house for a little bit. My uncle's here with me and we're gonna go see my grandma. She didn't know I came today, so she said to come.
Yeah. Go on, child.
Hi.
Yeah. When? I'm going to call from the nose here. I'm going to come forward. Okay. Yeah. Joe. Me there, mom, please.
Mama. Hi, Grandma. You're washing? I should have brought some clothes. Yes. Remember when we washed together?
Yeah.
John,
What's up?
what's going on?
Alright now.
Yes. Mama's washing your bathing? Yeah. Oh my goodness. What's going on? How are you?
I'm good. My baby.
Okay, Grandma. Look at your Grandma, why are you? Let's see where we're gonna hug up soon. What's going on?
It's fair, you know.
I have your stuff for you, but I did not unpack, darling. I didn't bring it. Guys, we're going in.
Let me open this door. Where? I close.
Grandma, you're washing this late? Excuse me, where are we going? I love this picture of you and Mom. Guys, we're at my grandma's house. Grandma, this is horrible.
What?
What's going on in here?
No, only that. You don't tell the next one. You know, show no, you're nothing.
Didn't I tell you to go to courts, Grandma? Your granddaughter.
Yes.
All right. Grandma, I think we're coming back. I'm going to come with you. I think we're coming back tomorrow. I'll bring your stuff tomorrow. Yeah. I brought everything. It's mine? She's right behind you, Grandma. You love money like how I love money too.
I agree. Yeah?
Oh, it's her grandma or mom?
Yes.
Oh, you see how quick? Let me see the bathroom. In here. It's huge.
You want this in here, you want the shower.
You have a black bathtub. Where's my grandma's bathroom? It's huge. Why is the toilet out like this though, Ma? Why is it on the wall? Oh yeah. Yeah, why is it? It's usually on the wall. Why are you washing so late? Yeah.
You miss me?
Yeah. When did you think I was coming? When did you think I was coming? You said you were gonna come to the airport. You said you had things to do.
If you tell me, I didn't come.
You didn't say that. I know. I came today.
Five whole dog. Come more.
Come on. Is he hungry? Hungry? He was hungry. We're going down. Woo!
Take your time, so.
Yes. We're going home. Grandma, your house looks so good.
I want to go to them. You party after your house there?
Okay. No, I didn't know if it would be. Oh, the base. When I say deck, Junjun's gonna DJ? Where's Pangola? I hope she comes too. I bet you she would win the whole prize.
Mama, tomorrow.
Bye, Mama. I love you.
If you put that long, me have to jump you just. You just stop away.
Bye, Mama. I love you.
Yeah?
Alright, yeah.
How am I feel?
Alright.
So if you not call the tomorrow, man, in the go, you know.
Bye, I love you. So pretty much came from the airport. We went to KFC for a little bit. And then we came home. Then we went to my grandma's house. She didn't know today was my first day, so we went to go see her and see her new house. We're gonna go there tomorrow. I'm so tired. And then we came back home, and I was with my uncle, my cousin, my two uncles, cousin, my grandma, and everyone. Yeah, but I'm closing out the vlog right here. Bye guys, good night. Hope you enjoyed the first vlog of this Jamaica trip.